What's up, guys? I'm going to be showing you guys how to change a wick, and let's get into it, right? So I did it already once to show you guys. So you're going to do like that. You are going to need one of these, and I am using my wingman. I did not do a review on this yet. I will be doing it maybe today. Still today. And I have another one. So the first thing that you want to do is try to get the, I forgot this, this out. See? And if it's black over here, if it's all like, I cut it already. If it's all like toasted and something, if it's all used a lot, you can't put it through the hole. Even if you twist it, it won't be good. You're going to have to cut it. And don't try to put the other side. Don't. Because it won't be good if you put the other side. So you're going to use this, a flat screw drive, just to get like the heavy part out. And my flint is really small. See? I do need to change it. And this is an actual flint right here. And this is my flint. So yeah, this is brand new. So let's not waste any more time, or else this is going to be really long. So you're going to take all the cotton out. All of it. All the cotton, you can take it out. See? There's nothing in there. And now all that you want to do is to put this right in that hole. Here, right there. But that I was using the back side. And this one, you could right there. I got it through. So now you want to do the same thing with this. Like, get it, and it doesn't matter if it goes up a lot, because you can pull it back. See? It's all the way. You don't want to leave it like that. So you want to leave it like the height of the chimney. Like the height of the chimney. Now what you want to do is to put the cotton balls back. And the only little difficult problem is to put it all the way down over here. Over here, you're gonna be using a lot of this. You pull it in, and now you want to put one here. And everything that you want to do with this is do a little S going down like that. Because you don't want to, like, just make a little ball. You want to put it that way on the cotton. And push this down. This way in the cotton. And I am using the same stuff. I did not change anything. Same cotton, same everything. And you do not want to do it when it's wet. When the cotton is wet, like with fluid in it, you want to leave it dry. Like let it open. Leave it open for like half of a day. You could do it without letting it dry, but you need to take really careful. Oh, my flint just came down. Still got it. It's really small flint. You don't want to use it. You do not want to lose it if you don't have extras. And if you have a wick, you could take the flint from the wick. I'm just sucking it. I'm just putting it in there. And I'm really not good with this part. And I just did it. This is my second time doing it as a practice. So now you put this and bam. So now what you want to do, just leave it there. Oh, it just fall down. I got it. So what you want to do, you want to put your flint straight like that, straight, and put the part that's used right here. Wait, right there. You guys can see that there's a little curve right there. And now what you want to do, get your Zippo. It's a fail. I always get wrong in this part. Yep, and I just lost my flint. Now I need to open this. Let me see if I can look for it. Nope. It's really small. So let me just open this real quick. So I'm back. And I just opened it from this little package. And because I lost it, and there's a flint. So let me just take out a flint from here. Oh, there's more packaging. I hate this. There's more packaging? Come on. Oh, there's one right next to the side. Let this one move around. Thanks, Zippo. Making me confused. So what you want to do is put it in there and slide it right back up. On there. Throw it to your hand. And there you got it. Now you have this. We're going to get this piece and make this to the side. Now this, you don't need to do what I was doing. Like to put on this right here. This you just throw it in there. See? This. Throw it in there. Now we put this back on. Screw it with your hand first. See? And that's how you change a wick. So yeah guys, comment, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.